The tiny mountain village, quite west of everywhere, had slowly rebuilt itself after the havoc, until once again the children played outside, breathed in the sweet air as if they were safe, and laughed out loud. But the elders remembered.
I'm the richest who's ever lived.
You there, come here. You might believe it or not, but I was your age once. I was. I wasn't supposed to leave my hut, but my little brother's cries of hunger kept me restless. I snuck out at night, scrounging for even a runt potato from the scorched earth. But there was nothing. As thanks for my troubles, though, I got a beating I'd never forget.
You old churl. Ha!
Sure, boy, laugh away, but take care not to laugh too loud. You don't want to awaken he who slumbers.
Leah, don't listen to her. Her head's full of cracked eggs.
Shh, Jack, be nice.
Boy, I saw wings wider than 10 oxen in the field, and breath of rising inferno, and eyes, cauldrons of doom.
What'd I tell ya? She's a few birds short of a pigeon pie. Let's get out of here.
Thanks for coming to visit my mom's grave with me. My father won't let me visit alone, and he's always so busy with his duties.
The trees scare others, but not me.
My mother was never scared, but I am. Just let me say my prayers for her, and then we can go back to the village.
Just a second. I forgot something.
Well, hello there, my love. How was your visit with your mother?
Oh, Papa.
What now, Leah? What shadows are against your brow?
Papa,
Yes?
Papa, Jack went back without me just for a moment. He thought he was helping. I swear I didn't know.
Child, slow down. What is this now? Leah, your mother's dowry? I never asked for it.
I know, Papa.
I never wanted it.
I know.
When your mother was sick, I promised her I would bury her with it. My way of saying that only she was what mattered to me.
Papa, I know. And Jack was wrong to grab it. But
what?
But Papa, you work so hard. You deserve some rest. With this, we are rich.
Hush, child.
Papa, don't be mad. Just listen. This is such a treasure. We have riches galore.
Child, silence yourself this instant.
But Papa!
I'm not angry. You have no idea what you've done. You've put the whole village in danger. So, they think they can keep their treasure from me? Loggerheads. Where is that treasure? Is it here? Where is that confounded treasure? Leah, hide. Go hide behind the trees.
I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry.
You didn't know, Leah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You stay hidden. I'll place the gem on the bridge, and we'll have to hope it's enough. Who hides there? Show yourself. Leah, no! Show yourself, or let the whole village pay for your mistake.
I didn't know. I didn't know. I meant no disrespect. Take the treasure and go in peace. Please spare the villagers. They're innocent.
You have guts. I'll spare you just for that.
Child, what's this now?
It's my fault the village got destroyed. I have to make it right.
That creature will destroy you before you can so much as say, tickle me whiskers.
Well, if that's what must happen, then that's what must happen.
Back during the Havoc, I tried to convince the other elders I did. They wouldn't listen. Will you?
I've got to make this right.
With violence? Don't you know you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar? The same is true with little worms.
Little worms?
That great dragon's name, Vermilius, it means he's a little worm, and he's a worm who's more vulnerable than you realize.
What do you mean?
Vermilius is greedy. He is, that's for sure. The type of greed that can never rest until it steals the good fortune of everybody else. But as I tried to convince the other elders long ago, Vermilius is a little worm, desperate for flattery, sick for admiration, longing for praise.
You've given me an idea that just might work.
What? Who goes there?
Oh, great Vermilius. I mean no disrespect.
How dare you set foot in my lair?
Your wisdom and might inspire my people. We want to pay you the tribute you deserve, O potent one.
Go on.
My village is proud. It is strong, but it is not prosperous.
Then why should that concern me?
Dear illustrious one, you took something from me. Now I know in your powerful wisdom you deserve anything you wish to take. But in this case, I need it back. Instead of burying my mother's precious gem away, I'll convince my father to use it to rebuild our village and make it prosperous again.
You're about to make your village mourn the loss of a little girl.
If you'd stop being such a loggerhead and just listen.
Well, go on then.
With our village prosperous again, thanks to you, we'll be the talk of all the mountain villages. They'll travel for days to attend our yearly Precious Dragon Festival, spreading the fame of your majesty throughout the land.
You don't say.
Things have been quiet of late, they have, blessedly so. But I'm excited to see all the travelers arriving.
Your stories are sure to delight all the visitors, ma'am.
Why, Jack, I thank you.
How's this lantern look?
That's a precious sight there, my sweet. It'll please our great Vermilius, I reckon.
I'm so proud of you, Leah.
Thank you, Papa.
And so the villagers light the dragon lanterns and float them high into the air, where they'll dance quite delightfully on the wind until they settle far away in the east.
She's a few birds short of a pigeon pie.
Sure, boy, laugh away.
What now, Leah? What shadows are against your brow?
I didn't know. I meant no disrespect.
Oh, they think they can keep their treasure from me. Loggerheads!
Often sketching, always scheming. Sketchbook scheming, yeah. Sketchbook scheming, yeah.